Today, we're diving into 10 ways to make passive income using AI in 2025. I'll break down how to get started, how to stand out in this growing market, and how to scale up for massive profits. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip and some free tools to help you start earning today. AI-powered blogging with automated content tools. How to start. Use tools like Jasper AI or Copy.ai to create SEO-optimized blog posts automatically. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. How to stand out. Focus on a niche, for example, health tech, sustainable living, and blend personal insights with AI-generated content. How to scale. Launch multiple blogs targeting different niches and build a team for minor edits and SEO. Free resource. Surfer SEO for content optimization. AI-generated YouTube content. How to start. Use tools like InVideo or Pictory to create faceless YouTube videos with AI-generated scripts and voiceovers. How to stand out. Focus on trending niches like productivity hacks, tech reviews, or motivational content. How to scale. Automate video creation and hire virtual assistants for content scheduling and management. Faceless channels can generate $5,000 plus per month with proper optimization. Free resource. YT Studio for channel analytics and optimization. AI print-on-demand art and merch. How to start. Use DALL-E or Midjourney to create unique designs and sell them on platforms like Printful or Teespring. How to stand out. Create themed collections like Afrocentric art, minimalist designs. How to scale. Automate product uploads and expand to multiple platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify. Print-on-demand businesses can generate $3,000 per month for consistent sellers. AI stock trading bots. How to start. Use platforms like Trade Ideas or AlgoTrader to automate trades based on AI-driven market predictions. How to stand out. Educate your audience about how the bot works and the risks involved. How to scale. Diversify across crypto, forex, and traditional stocks. Stat. AI-assisted traders outperform manual traders by 21%. Selling AI-generated ebooks on Amazon KDP. How to start. Use ChatGPT and Grammarly to generate ebooks in niches like self-help, guides, and children's books. Publish on Amazon KDP. How to stand out. Add personal stories and custom illustrations using Canva Pro. How to scale. Publish multiple books across genres and launch a book bundle series. Stat. Authors can earn between $500 to $10,000 per month on KDP. AI voiceovers for audiobooks and ads. How to start. Use tools like Murf.ai or Speechello to create AI voiceovers. Sell on platforms like Voices.com. How to stand out. Create a signature voice style and offer multiple languages. How to scale. Automate voiceover production for multiple clients and genres. Stat. Audiobook narrators can earn up to $1,000 per finished hour. AI-generated music and beats. How to start. Use tools like Soundraw.io or AIVA to create original music. Sell tracks on Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound. How to stand out. Focus on unique genres like lo-fi beats or cinematic scores. How to scale. Offer exclusive licenses and bundle music packs for filmmakers and content creators. AI tools affiliate marketing. How to start. Promote high-paying AI software like Jasper AI, Copy.ai, and Descript through affiliate programs. How to stand out. Create tutorial videos and show how the tools solve real problems. How to scale. Build a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to AI software reviews. Stat. AI software affiliates can earn up to $300 per referral. AI virtual assistant services. How to start. Offer AI-enhanced services like scheduling and data entry using tools like Zapier and Taskade. How to stand out. Combine AI with personal coaching or consultation. How to scale. Build a VA agency specializing in AI automation. Stat. VA services can earn $20 $50 per hour depending on niche. AI-powered online courses. How to start. Use Kajabi and Teachable to create and automate course delivery with AI-generated content. How to stand out. Focus on trending skills like AI literacy, copywriting, or graphic design. How to scale. Bundle courses, offer lifetime memberships, and upsell coaching sessions. Stat. AI course creators can earn between $5,000 to $20,000 monthly. Licensing AI art and content. How to start. Create AI-generated art or writing and license it through platforms like Shutterstock AI or Adobe Stock. How to stand out. Focus on specific themes like futuristic designs or abstract art. How to scale. Sell on multiple platforms and bundle rights for exclusive sales. So, which of these AI passive income ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on wealth building strategies. See you next time.